Well, I think it's to bridge that bench to bedside gap, there has to be a better way of developing in vitro based assays that we can do outside the body of the animal or the human, where we can recapitulate the environment in such a way that the endothelium is behaving close to what it is behaving like in the in vivo or natural setting. So that's one of the biggest problems. The third point that I made about the bench to bedside gap was its complexity, and part of the problem is that when you remove an endothelial cell from its native organ or its native tissue, it's like a fish out of water. It drifts. It becomes a shadow of its former self, so that its phenotype in vitro is very different than in vivo because it's lost its environmental cues. So the biggest challenge for us is to understand how to recapitulate this environment in vitro so that it parallels or mimics its native environment. Because most of endothelial biology is focused on cell culture where we don't make that attempt to recapitulate the environment. And that's why there's such a big gap. I can publish 1,000 articles in my career on these in vitro cell cultures, but it's meaningless in terms of understanding the in vivo correlate. That's the biggest challenge we have, I think.